Page 16, Variations on a Folk Tune. This is sort of a technique study. I've never done this before. I'm not sure I like it or not, but it's in the book, so okay, we'll present it. It's getting the up and down motion. Down, I mean, you get it anyway. I have other methods I prefer to do that, but okay, we can do this. First, let's get the music out of the way. Make sure we can play the music. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, no starts or flies in the key signature when the key is C major. 2/4 time signature. The note names are the same in both hands. You're just using different fingers. In theory, you're not, but you are. And we'll just play it 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 1 and 2 and off. Pretty simple, I hope. The idea isn't to challenge you with the music. The idea is the technique. You see the finger numbers are 1 plus 2. So we're going to use the first and second fingers together. And we're going to play the note with 2 fingers. I mean, we never play a note with 2 fingers. You don't need to. But we're practicing this up and down thing. They don't want you to roll, to pass from finger to finger, pass your weight or whatever. They want you to go up and down each time. So here, so 2 fingers all the way through. Same thing on the left hand. 1 and 2 here. And then bum, bum, bum. Leave the arm alone. Don't be moving the arm up and down. It's just this. If you're having trouble with this, then exaggerate it and go real slow. But don't hurt yourself. Now, just here. And come up and go up and go up for a while. And then eventually it's a small motion. What they're wanting you to do, just to get this arm action going. I've never run across this before in any of the many method books I've covered. This is the first time they've done it this way. I would not teach it this way, but they're doing it this way. If your teacher teaches it this way, fine, do whatever. That's it. I don't have a lot to say on it. I'm not going to do a play with me on it because it's pretty simple, and really what we're after here is the thumb and the fourth finger working together. Here. Do it one hand at a time if you can't do it with both hands, because you're moving off. Just make sure you're actually pushing down with both fingers. Don't put the index finger on the thumb and then play it with the thumb. Actually push the key down with both fingers. Touch the key with both fingers. That's all I have to say. I don't have a lot to say on this. This is what they're doing. Okay, fine. Let me know if you have questions.